Hey babe, want to know the secret to toned, chiseled arms? Well, this is it, my 5-minute dancer arm sculpt. You don't need any equipment at all, and you're going to feel so strong, and your posture is definitely going to improve. So let's go. Let's begin kneeling down. Reach your arms out to the side and make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Okay, let's keep going. Reach those arms out to the side, big circles right here. You want to make sure that you keep your core nice and tight. So I'm not moving around too much. It's just my arms and I'm going in the same direction. Circle, circle, circle. And then now let's reverse that circle. So keep circling those arms, keep circling. You're going to feel those shoulders starting to burn up. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep reaching those fingers out long, making sure that you keep your arms straight the entire time. Hold on to that core. Now press the palms back behind you as if there's a wall behind you and you're slapping the wall behind you. So push, push, press, 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 press. Nice job. Make sure that your thumbs are down, pinkies are up, and now we're gonna go up and down and up and down. So I give a little flap with my fingers. If you see, I break at my wrist just a tiny bit. Hit and hit and hit and hit and hit. Good. Keep that core nice and tight. Make sure that you're breathing as well. And if you give a little smile, it helps too. And if at any time the knees don't feel comfortable, you can stand up. Okay, now we're gonna do big circles. So pretend like there's a big beach ball that you're wrapping your hands around, under and over, under and over, under and over. Feel your shoulders, feel your biceps work here, feel your lats. Nice. All right, now reach the right arm to the right and reach and reach and reach. Nice. Reach. So I give a little bend in my torso as well. Now go to the other side and reach. Circle, reach, circle, reach. Good. The reach is really important. You want to make sure that you're actually engaging that tricep and your shoulder. Good. Now we're going to squeeze in and back, in and back. Good. In, back, in, back, in, back. I know now you're probably starting to feel the burn, but just remember that the burn is signifying that you're getting stronger. All right, little squeezes, back, back, back. Here we go, working that posture, working all of those back muscles, squeezing the shoulder blades together, back and in. Nice, we're gonna reach, back, reach, back, reach, back. Beautiful. So it's like serving a platter, reach, back, reach, back, reach, back. Beautiful, keep going, keep going. Keep those palms facing up. As you keep reaching forward and back, forward and back. Nice. All right, back to the elbows together and open. Close, open, close, open, close, open. You're doing beautiful. Just imagine how much difference this is going to make in your day. Good. Now squeeze those forearms together. Little pulses, pulse, 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 pulse. Nice. Feel that chest working now. It's amazing what you can do with just your own body. Okay, now we're going to bring it back up and to the side, up to the side. So thumbs are down when I reach to the side. Good. Up and side, up and side. Beautiful. Up, side, up, side. Keep going. You've got this. Feel those arms working. Feel those shoulders working. Feel that posture improving. Good. Enjoy the burn. Try to find a way to enjoy the burn if you can. Up. I know I'm starting to get a little bit tired here. Up and side. Good. Now we're going to hold to the side and lift. Up, 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 up. Just lift those pinkies up, thumbs down. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Good. Now we're really working the triceps here. Okay, bring those arms in. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. So you're going to start to see some of these poses familiar to you now since we've already done them. In, 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 in. Good. Reach and lift. Up, 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 up. Good. Now we're really working the triceps here. Make sure that the arm is as straight as possible. Nice. Other side. And up, 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 up. Good. Try to keep the back as long and tall as possible as you lift that palm up, keeping the wrist straight, arm straight. Nice. Okay. Now I'm going to just show you from the side, both arms reach back, up, up, up. Really getting the triceps here. The straighter the arm, the more you're going to feel the muscle engage. Lift up. We're almost there. Good. Now we're going to reach forward like we're swimming and back, up and back. So arms up overhead and back like you're swimming, up and through, up and through. Good. Reach and down, up, up. Here we go. Lift, 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 lift. You're almost there. Keep going. Squeeze the triceps up, up. Bring the hands a little bit closer to the inline of the body. Up, 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 up. You're doing awesome. Feeling so strong. Keep it up. Keep it up. Almost there. Good. Okay, last thing here, reach the arms up to the side. Little circle, 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 circle. I know those shoulders are burning. Keep going, keep going. You're doing awesome. Okay, reverse the circle now. Circle, 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 circle. Beautiful. Extend the arms as wide as you possibly can. Feel your wingspan expand. Reach, 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 reach. Keep holding, keep holding. You've got this. Keep holding. You are so strong. And let it go. You are amazing.
Great, great job. I'm so proud of you for showing up on your mat today. Remember, you can include this workout as part of your regular routine, or you can join the rest of us Stretchy Babes by following a 30-day calendar inside of my Stretchy Fit app. Join my app for free today. I left the link below in the description box so that you can check that out. And then as always, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe and support my channel, and leave comments below. Let me know what was your favorite move of this workout, and I will see you in the next video. Love you so much. Bye.